Hi folks, welcome back. So today we're going to see what a module is. When a demo has different sections, module allows the consumer of a demo to navigate between various sections easily, much like the index of a book. So let's go ahead and click on create a module. This part talks about how we change an event color, and this part talks about how to add meeting participants. So let's go ahead and fill in these details. Right, I've filled the details. And mandatory module means that a consumer should complete the particular module before moving on to the next. For now, I don't think we need that feature. Let's click on Create CTA. Over here, let's add the get a demo link for Fable. I have added the link and now let's click on Preview. So here we have a module. How to change event color. Let's start. Now let's move on to the second part. How to add meeting participants. Next. All right, now let's click on the CTA, book a demo, and this redirects me over here. Thank you, folks. Please stay tuned for further videos.